Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung Refrigerator Hinge cover. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new hinge cover. The hinge cover covers up the hinge on the folding shelf in the refrigerator. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the shelf's not folding properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up both refrigerator doors. Now that we have the door open, we have access to the hinge cover. It's located right here on the shelf. There's actually two of them. They're changed out the same way. So we're just going to lift up the shelf. And then we're going to use the 3mm Allen wrench to take out these screws that hold the hinge on. Once you have the screws out, we're going to put the shelf down, and then we're just going to use a small flathead screwdriver to pop the hinge cover off. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the refrigerator. Here's the old hinge cover next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new hinge cover on, you just have to line it up and push it down into place. And we're going to lift the shelf up. And make sure the hinge goes with it. Then we can use the 3mm Allen wrench to put in the screws. Once you have the screws in, we can put the shelf back down, close the doors, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.